naledi aphi mntase sudlala ngathi we are too old for this thing. Izolo oko you were crying over a guy. Hayi bo pity. You are making music with a guy. So usita mamenemene ngoku. Sithi ngoku abantu abane-news ezingaphelelanga because ngoku into esiyihlebayo ayiphelelanga ayinamhluzi. Because how come phithi nohlukene, phithi nicula nobabini, phithi uko ingoma ingokohlukana. Naledi aselwanga izolo mntakasisi, manale aselwanga izolo mntakasisi. Njani? How come ucula njani odwa uhlabelele ivoice uthi uyikhuphe yonke kodwa mntakasisi wohlukene nomuntu? Aselwanga izolo apha. Hayi mawelele thatha nyani bantu bakasisi nohlukene okanye nise breaking. Because ngoku sihleba into engaphelelanga apha ayinamhluzi lento siyihlebayo. There's something fishy. Ngoku ndimlu limenemene ebantwini. Ndimlu limenemene because benohlukene. Phithi ingoma. Phithi nihlabelela kamnandi. Nihlabela njani? Naledi aselwanga izolo mntakasisi. Siyayiva le ngoma mamelani bantu abasimamelani nani. Nizoyiva abantu aba kucula izithandana.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. A TikToker is dragging Unaledi Apiwe after she was seen performing with Omawelele. Unaledi Apiwe and Omawelele broke up last week on a live, and the breakup yabu idume ngendlela simanga and ugele akagowishi uyaperisha. So the girl is basically saying ukuthi there is no way bangabe bahlukene. Unaledi Apiwe zolo lokube kakhala lana sikhalele ndama video abonakala ahawulisa ukuthi uhlukene namawelele. Now they are singing together, uqula like on top of her lungs, aqulele tulo mbone nje ukuthi she's happy. Guys, kufanele wendeni ngemsebenzi wakho if you break up with someone? Do you quit your job uma mhlambe heartbroken? I don't know. I don't think this is making sense for me because kufana yendeni mntwana. Yes, they broke up, but life goes on, man. Kufana basebenze. They have a song together. I don't know if it's one or songs. I'm not quite sure about that. But baqola bayethu sekufana ke bende njani? Kufanele naledi ende njani athi no ngisafuna icula nawe because mina nawe sesihlukene. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't make sense. They have to work together because banengoma all together. They have to sing together and put their differences aside. For this girl to drag Unaledi kokuthi Unaledi udlala ngebantu, yay, they are chasing clouds. Okay, maybe they are chasing clouds asikwadi logo. But for yena to drag Unaledi like this on TikTok ukuthi Unaledi udlala ngathi izolo lokube kakhala, I really don't think ukuthi that's fair. Because kufana kayinde njani. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.